Hi, here at H. Mitchell Car Sales we're very pleased to be able to offer for sale this 2017 Kia Rio 1.2 SE. This car's finished in signal red metallic paint. You've got the chrome trim around the grille, daytime running lights, front fog lights, body coloured door mirrors with side repeaters, rear privacy glass, 15-inch alloy wheels, front near side, inside the car you've got the charcoal grey cloth upholstery with diamond patterned centre panels. Rear passenger area, so in the rear of the car you've got room for 3 passengers. Isofix fixing points for the baby seat, electric rear windows, rear cup holders, near side rear alloy wheel. Moving round to the rear of the car, you got the rear parking sensors, and in the rear load area you've got the 60/40 split rear seat. This car is equipped with the space saver spare wheel. Moving round to the driver's side of the car now. Driver's side rear alloy wheel. So inside the car on the driver's door you've got the controls for the electric windows all round, electric mirror adjustment, and this car's got the electric folding mirrors. On the dashboard you've got the controls to turn off the traction control, turn off the parking sensors, stop start deactivation switch, centre armrest with internal storage box, twin cup holders. So this car's done 49,527 miles. USB and auxiliary port, 2 12-volt plugins for accessories, heater controls with manual air conditioning. Then you've got the radio that's got the AM, FM and DAB radio bandings, CD player, and you've also got the Bluetooth connectivity so as you can play music from an external device. You've also got hands-free phone operation, so the controls are on the steering wheel for answering and rejecting calls. You've got voice control if your phone's compatible, cruise control, automatic headlamps, you've got the rain sensitive wipers, back outside the car again. Driver's side front alloy wheel. Okay, I hope you find this video informative. Any further questions regarding this car, please contact us by phoning 01924 411 323 or send an email to mail@hmitchellcarsales.co.uk. Thank you for watching. We look forward to your inquiry. Bye.